Assalamualaikum. Yung napili kong i-interview is si Miss Ali and yung tribe niya is Sama Tausug from Panguntaran. So can you share some background about your tribe and where you are, where you came from? So she said that she is Eliza Ali from Panguntaran. Ang tribe niya is Sama Tausug in Sulu. Sama is one of the indigenous tribes found in Mindanao. There are different groups of Sama such as Sama Bangingi and Sama Bajau. Different din yung language, dialect na ginagamit nila or sinasalita nila. As for her, she belongs to the Sama Tausug community in Sulu. The question number 2, what are some cultural traditions or practices from your tribe that you take pride in? Sabi niya na, I am proud of our rich cultural heritage which reflect in our vibrant traditions. One practices is the Maulud. Maulud, the celebration of Prophet Muhammad's birthday. Another is during Hari Raya, where each family prepares a tray of food after the prayer. All the trays are placed together, and the imam makes prayer for being shared. So itong ginagawa nila sa Hari Raya is same din dito sa ginagawa natin every Hari Raya na puluputan sa kuwana, puluputan sa parang pater, then timo-timo no to sa masjid na amay ko mapasad so samboyan na kuha nini i-release to agwa ni mo sana so margas di ba kita sa margas sa isang bus so then parang suna po to sa pagdilano na kugruman din na to mapasad sa samboyan. Yes,
every
so,
khutbah.
The purpose of this practice is not that we close our dulang, but rather to emphasize sharing and unify among families. A fun part of the tradition is that children are given colorful eggs, which brings added joy to the celebration. So binibigyan din nila ng colorful eggs yung mga bata para parang games ba yun?
Hindi pagkain siya.
Pagkain.
Yes.
And then question number 3, what do you find most rewarding about sharing your culture with people from other tribes or your cultural background? Ali said, for me, the most rewarding part is when I get to share our food and delicacies. Many are surprised that in our place, we eat a lot of seafood like baby shark, kumakain daw sila ng baby shark, puffer fish, and so on. Yung puffer fish na yung may mga things.
Ali, nakakain ka na?
We also have a special seasoning called pamaka, which is a native delicacy from Panguntaran Island. At first, pamaka may look very simple, but in reality, it goes through a long and careful process before it's ready. We use it to make even simple dishes taste more delicious. So parang palabas ka niya, parang kasi na sana makaman mo